Hello everyone. You need to download this software known as Diptrace from this website, uh, their website, and you should download this freeware. If it's a Windows, you download this one, and if it's Mac, download this one. So after downloading this software, you'll have an interface something like this Diptrace launcher. This Diptrace launcher, if you open it, you'll get something like this. So we will be using uh, these two only. These two are part of the software. So this is schematic capture. So you press the schematic capture and go there. And in this schematic capture here, basically you will find the components that you need to make the circuit, and the circuit will be given to you. I'll share the screenshot. So mostly is I will draw the circuit now. So how you will do it, I'll show it right now. So go to this filter, select all libraries. Should be it is components only always. Then go to if I want a register, I will get a register. Get a register like this. So this is R1. I want three registers for this particular circuit that we are going to make. So I'll keep them here. Then I'll stop the filter and I want the capacitor. So I'll apply the filter and get a capacitor. So this thing you are seeing is the footprint of the circuit. So in this software, you are basically making a circuit and later which will be represented in terms of its footprint. So here I take the capacitor as well. Now I need a LED. Okay. And now I'll take a any 555. So any 555 is a IC that is used in this circuit for LED blinking. So this circuit implements a simple blinking of an LED using this specific resistor and capacitor values. And another thing that I will take is this from net ports. From net ports, you can take any 5 volt and a ground, which is basically for your reference that what is the connection you are having. Okay. So here we go. So I will share the circuit with you. So you just press R to rotate the component. Okay. So what I'll do is I'll just connect the wires. So whenever you are connecting the wires, try selecting this one. This will help you connect the wires. So just click on this uh, box and then connect here like this. Okay. And try to organize it the way I have organized. So the circuit looks less clumsy, as well as it is easy to figure out any problems that you might have caused while drawing the circuit. So it's okay to find errors in the circuit, but I think it is better to do it in a proper way so that you don't face any issues later. Okay. So guys, you need to make this circuit. So I also share the screenshot. So I'll also do the same. I'll just do the connection as per the circuit, and I'll show you here. So the 7th pin is getting connected to this capacitor. So remember guys, this is a polarized capacitor, and this connection is a little bit wrong here. This should be set. And again, the threshold and trigger pin, these two needs to be connected. Okay, sorry, I think I have made a mistake. Just a second. So this threshold and trigger pin, they need to be connected to here, and this one pin to connected to here. So I think now the connection is done. So once the connection is done, what you do is that you do this verification and do electrical rules check. So there is no errors that is found, it says. But as you can see, it is still not connected. So what you do is that you connect this to the output. Okay. So now since the circuit is complete, what you can do is that you go to file and you go to convert to PCB. Once you convert to PCB, you'll go to layout. So in layout, have where you just okay this, then you get your component, something like this. So you might remember these components uh, are something we saw in the schematics also. This is called as footprint, and these blue ones are called as the red lines. So which shows what is the connection between them. And this place is pin number 1 for the specific AC. So what we'll do is that I'll go to placement and I will do run auto placement. So now they are placed like this. Then I go to route, then go to current router. I select grid router. It would be like save router, but you select grid router. Then you go to auto router setup. What you do is that you make the number of layers 1 and you remove this. You don't use this. Don't use all layers. Then you enable use priority layer directions. You say okay. After this is done, you go to route setup, traces and BS. So what you do is that you make it 0.8 trace width, 0.8 trace clearance this, bias through holes, outer diameter you make it 2, inner diameter you make it 1. Then you make it um, now all the setting is done. And just go to route, run out router. So now you can see that this is routed and there is this box. This called as uh, board outline. Then you go to bottom and you see this connection is done. However, you can see that this is not connected to this. So this looks little bit um, daunting that how to connect these two, but don't worry, it is pretty easy. I'll show you how to do it. So you go to here, start manually, okay, and then you just take this, go like this, go like this, go like this, and this, and this. use your mouse and move it, and wherever you want to stop, you make it and just click it. Click your mouse. So just connect it. What I will do is that I will again change to this one. Then I'll just change this. And then what I'll do is that I will let it look like this. Okay. So another thing I want to remind you is that you can yeah, you can do is that. So this here you can change the grid size to keep it minimum so that it will be easy for you to route. Okay. And then what you need to do is that you need to change the, so this is the bottom layer, this is the top layer. So this is where the component will be placed. Okay. So in the bottom, I need you to do just one thing, just select all of them. Go to any of the pads via properties. Okay. Let's just go to this one. Properties. Okay. So what you do is that you select all of this and you select just the pads. Go to pad properties, and here you change the diameter to 1 mm and here to 2 mm, 2 mm, and do it similar for sectional patterns. Okay. Select it, pad properties. Let's do. I think you need to change the pad properties. To apply to all pads. And here you do it 1 mm. Now all the pads are aligned like this. So now I think this is fine. Okay. So now the whole circuit is complete. Now what you can do is that you go to file and then export error x2, export all, error x2 plus etc. Type your name, save it, and then give it to the TA to use it to get it done on the machine.